Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back, and here we have to scroll and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and tap on this plus icon next to it. Now your device will ask you whether you want to change the language, so just tap on yes, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. As you can see, everything is in Turkish. In this list we've got right now 2 different languages, so if you've got more than 2 languages added, or actually more than 1 language is added here, you can quickly reorder them just by tapping on the language you'd like to apply. So I'll pick English, just confirm it, and from now on everything will be displayed in the English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the specific language. As you can see, it will be immediately removed. Obviously it will be still here, but it is removed from this part of the list, and we've got only English or any other language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.